The cosmetology program here at Reid State will help prepare you for a rewarding career in the beauty industry. You learn manicuring, artificial nail enhancements, esthetician services, dealing with makeup, lashes, hair cutting, hair coloring, everything that the beauty industry has to offer. The cosmetology program here at Reid State Community College is 3 semesters, which it will take you a year to complete. Once you have completed the program here, you will apply for licensure, where you will be able to become a licensed cosmetologist in the state of Alabama upon passing. So what does a career look like in cosmetology? I'll let you take this one.
Hi, my name is Shelby. I have been at Reid State for 3 semesters now. Here at Reid State, we don't just work on mannequins, we work out of textbooks and workbooks, and it's really easy to get through as long as you apply yourself. I work at a salon, and the best thing that I get to see every day is the people's faces when they turn around in my chair and they see the automatic transformation that they get.
If you are interested in becoming a student here at Reid State Community College, drop by for a tour. If you're interested in receiving a service, come get your manicure, pedicure, your nail enhancements, haircut, maybe even some highlights for the summertime. We're open and ready.